Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite hairstyles with these out of this world space buns. So let's get into it. I'm starting off by just parting my hair down the middle. You really want to make sure it's parted all the way to the back of your head so it looks even all the way through. Next, I'm just going to start shaping my hair into two little pigtails on the top of my head. Now you want to try to get each side as similar in height as possible just to make sure they're even, and we don't want lopsided buns over here. So just really try to get them very similar in height and wrap them around 2 times, usually is the magic number. We don't need them super tight yet. Next, I am going in with my Photogenic Hair Care Gel. You really want a good amount just to be able to smooth out those areas around the pigtails and really clean up all those little baby hairs that may be around there. Just really trying to brush out any of those inconsistencies, whether that be in the back, front, side, or middle. Now, this next part is where it gets a little bit tricky. You want to take out your hair tie very carefully and really brush through it again to make sure that this looks tight, clean, and out of this world. And this is where the elastic should go around about 3 to 4 times if possible. We want this tight, we want it to feel like it is very secure and ready to go. Now on to the other side. Next is up to you. I choose to braid, but you can either twist or braid each pigtail into your desired one strand that you are going to use. So I just chose to braid because it's a little bit easier, and you're going to use the gel at the bottom of the braid to make sure that hair is very secure and put together. And then we just wrap her up into a bun and use some bobby pins to really secure those buns in place. That is also very key to making sure these don't fly off into another galaxy. And that's the look, guys. It takes less than 20 minutes. It's super easy. Feel free to go in with some more gel or styling products just to really make sure it's secure. But for the most part, this is it. It's super fun, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.